This is our newest addition to the industrial cleaning equipment and supplies fleet of trailers. The 16-foot by 80-inch trailer, 12,000 pound capacity. Got the additional diamond plate, black panels, double doors, one on the left and right side of the trailer, two barn door style doors in the back. 80 inches high, so it'll clear a residential garage door and get into parking garages. The featured machine on this unit is a 30 horse Kohler, 3,500 psi at 9 gallon a minute, top of the line hot water pressure washer. Can clean up to 17,000 square foot an hour in parking garages. It's an open air system. We're in South Florida. Perfect environment for allow the airflow to keep the engine cool. We don't need to add any exhaust diverters up through the roof of the trailer, and it's easy to service and work. And as you can see the pump head on the side of the machine. It's easy to change valves and packings when that time comes. It's got a 3,000 watt onboard generator. The onboard generator is oversized because it has auxiliary plugs to be able to run optional like wastewater recovery and filtration systems, light, backs, whatever else you may need in order to run off the auxiliary power. It's an all stainless steel Hydrotech frame. This is SCU 3500 9KIS model. Storage toolbox in the front. It's got dual tanks, two 270 gallon water tanks for a total supply of 540 gallons of water. They're split tanks, so they can also be divided into two, and one can act as a wastewater recovery tank, which will give them 270 gallons of wastewater recovery and 270 gallons of fresh water. Got a 45 gallon chemical tank in there, electric reels, two high pressure reels. This is a dual operator system. Chemical hose reel with 300 foot of hose on it and an inlet hose reel. It's a Dan Swede industrial cleaning equipment and supply, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. The phone number here is 1-800-731-7789. You can call me direct at 954-778-4386. The website is www.ices.net. And my email is Dan at ICES.net. So DAN at ICES.net.
Find a place out front. I mean, yeah, we can try it out. Yeah, I got it. But I like, if it's not
But
anything.
technically, if you look here, it would be a good idea to even do an edging here.
Yeah.
If you're on a
The
nice,
way it's
pristine.
made, they're
How far down? I'll
Up
go down a
against-
lot.
yeah.
further
Yeah, this
than
is
that.
like, and I think the guy even brought like an edger with him, like when he would go and do jobs or something, you know.
It's pretty cool. Go. Alright, just hang on to it.
So two of your customers that I know of are lefty. John and I.
Oh, both of you, really?
Yeah. So I was looking at him writing an estimate. I'm like, oh, lefty too.
Yeah.
Keep it going.
This is our new 3500 PSI 9-gallon minute Hydrotech hot water pressure cleaner mounted on a custom 16-foot by 80-inch enclosed trailer. It's actually 3/4 enclosed. It's got an open area to mount the hot water machine. That way you get plenty of airflow and exhaust. Got a diamond plated toolbox on the tongue, diamond plated fender wraps, and then a lot of extra dress on there. Got two doors, one on each side, 30-inch, two barn doors in the back. Two 270-gallon water tanks, which add up to a total of 540 gallons worth of water. We split the tanks, that way they can actually use one tank as a wastewater recovery tank when they add their wastewater recycling system to this trailer in the future. Everything is custom, complete. Another satisfied customer ready to go out the door. To the Dan Swede with industrial cleaning equipment and supply in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Our number is 1-800-731-7789. My direct line is 954-778-4386. My email is sales@ices.net, and the website is www.ices.net. Thank you.